Hey, what's up guys, I'm back with another video build for $600, so enjoy. So this build will be able to play most games at medium high settings or low on high demanding ones. For the CPU we are going to use an AMD FX 6300 clocked at 3.5 GHz. It is a 6-core CPU, so it will be enough for this build. It will cost you about $115. To cool the CPU we are going to use Cooler Master Hyper 212 Plus. This will cost you about $20. So to fit all of these parts we are going to use Gigabyte GA-970A-DS3P ATX AM3 Plus motherboard. It supports 2-way crossfire and up to 32 GB of maximum memory. For the GPU we are going to use Gigabyte Radeon R9 270 2GB WINDFORCE video card. This will run you about $180. For the RAM we are going to use Corsair WindForce 2 4GB sticks, which are 1866 MHz RAM. They are pretty good for the price. We are going to get it for $85. To store all of our data we are going to use Seagate Barracuda 1TB 3.5-inch 7200 RPM drive. This will cost you about $55. So to power all of our components, we are going to use an XFX 550W 80+ Bronze certified ATX power supply. Even though it is not a modular power supply, but we are not going to get it at this price range. This is a really great power supply from a well-known company. It has some really high quality capacitors, so you will be sure to have nice clean power to all of your precious components. So this will cost you about $50. Going to use Corsair 300R, which is an ATX mid-tower case. We'll be having awesome fan supports on top and on front, and we are going to have lots of room for all of our components. So this will run you about $40. So here is a list of all the parts and their cost. For the CPU it's $115, for CPU cooler it's $20, motherboard $65, hard disk $55, graphic card $180, RAM $85, power supply $50, and case for $40. So that sums up for $610, which is well under our budget. So we are going to have nice decent build for $600. So that wraps up this video guys. Hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, feel free to hit that like button, that would help me a lot. And subscribe to stay tuned for more awesome content just like this. I'll catch you guys later in my next video. Until then, peace out.